Hello everyone, today here are some motivational thoughts in English. I hope you will like these thoughts. And if you like them, please like and share the video. You can also get paragraphs, letters, stories, poems and quotes of many inspirational personalities on this channel. Now, let's start our motivational thoughts. Go up and do not stop. It will push you on the top. Life is a rope that swings us through hope. Always believe that today is better than yesterday and tomorrow will be much better than today. Don't afraid to start over. This time you are not starting from scratch but experience. Happiness is not getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. Success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. To be happy, you must let go of what's gone. Be grateful for what remains and look forward to what is coming next. To get and to give creates many problems, so just double it. Forget and forgive solves many problems. One day you will be just a memory for some people. Do your best to be a good one. Child must be taught how to think, not what to think. Thank you.